Welcome back. Boy, do I have a bold dish for you today. Shrimp moilee. It's a southern Indian dish. It originated from Portuguese, it went to Malaysia. It's one of those dishes where you taste it, it's kind of like curry, there's some spices, there's some cardamom and cinnamon in it. It's delightful. And I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's a one-pan dish. Let's get into it. I got some beautiful shrimp right here. I'm gonna put them right in a bowl. Today we're using the butter chicken from Herbie's. Again, another great spice that has cardamom pods in it. There's cinnamon in it. Almost all the same accoutrements that has a curry, but delightful, a little toned down, and absolutely delicious. Now, I'm gonna put a teaspoon over these shrimp. We're gonna wiggle them around in it, let them sit in that marinade, and start showing you how this is done. Boom, okay. Give them a little toss and turn. Smells so good. Okay, now we're gonna set that aside. We're gonna grab my onion, sliced garlic, and our ground ginger. We're gonna go in a pan behind me, and we're gonna start making magic happen. Get a pan going, bring our spice over. A lot of Indian cooking and Asian cooking, you really want to toast your spices in the oil first before I even add my onions. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing here today. Let's drop some oil. Let's drop some butter chicken spice. Another teaspoon. Beautiful. Whenever you put your spices in that hot oil, it just maximizes it to the 10th degree. Okay, so it's turning a little bit of darker color. That's when it says, Chef Colin, put the onions in. And then that's when we put the onions in. Sizzle. Powdered ginger. Let's give it a little toss and turn. Low and slow, baby. Great. We really leached all of our spices in that hot oil. We put our ground ginger, our sliced garlic, our onions in there. We're gonna wait for them to get translucent, but as they're doing so, we're gonna season, because we season every step of the way. Just let them do their thing. Okay, great. I have my tomatoes, my coconut cream, my chilies, and my shrimp. Let's cross the street into Flavor Town. Boom, okay. My onions probably have another 2 minutes, but I'm gonna add my chilies. All right, I just put some of my chilies in. Now, you can use any chilies you want at home. I use the really small Thai chilies because I love heat. You can use Fresno chilies, you can use jalapeno chilies. Whatever suits you, I just like spicy. And the recipe calls for the little green chilies. I'm gonna cook this for another 2 minutes, and then we're gonna go in with our tomatoes. Okay, I just put my tomatoes in. Now I'm gonna let the tomatoes cook, let them release their juices, let them mingle with the onion juices and the spices. And then we're gonna go in with our coconut cream and then our shrimp the last 2 to 3 minutes of cooking because we don't wanna overcook them. Boom, give that a twirl. Now we have our coconut milk in there. I'm gonna give it a quick little taste, see where we're at with it. Okay, let's tune it, a little bit more salt. Okay, black pepper. And give it a stir. We have all of our ingredients in there. It's thickening up nicely. It smells absolutely delightful. I'm gonna wait about another minute, then I'm gonna go in with our shrimp. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes and the dish is done. We're gonna pour it over jasmine rice. Yummy. You know, the 2023 Enchant loves umami. It loves winter comfort food. Exactly what we're doing here today. Creamy, dreamy, and absolutely delicious. Let's lay in that butte right there. Now, in the recipe, it calls for cooking basmati rice, which I did. Figured I wouldn't waste your time doing that. We all know how to cook rice. And we're gonna plate this. It smells amazing. It's literally turning on every sense that I have. Okay, let's get it in the bowl. Now we're going to put our rice right on top of that. And I got some fresh sprigs of cilantro, which of course goes good with any curry Asian dish in a heartbeat. Let's do this. Spicy shrimp moilee. It's thick, it's delicious, and absolutely bold.